Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites so the rest works predictably. First, verify Python and pip are available. Run Python version and pip version or their Python 3/pip3 variants. If you use a virtual environment, activate it now so you check the environment you care about. Once done, run a quick import test planned next. This avoids searching system installs. Make sure your terminal is in the right environment and that you have network access for additional installs if needed. Now you perform the core checks that reveal whether TensorFlow is present and usable. Open Python and run import TensorFlow. A successful import confirms a working install, while an error shows missing or incompatible packages. Next, run pip show TensorFlow or piplist to display the installed version and location. If you have multiple Python installations, use Python mpip show TensorFlow so pip targets the same interpreter you used to import. This clarifies install paths and version mismatches. To finish, install or repair TensorFlow precisely and verify it runs. If missing, run pip install TensorFlow or pip install TensorFlow CPU for CPU-only systems. Use Python mpip to ensure the right interpreter. After install, test a tiny snippet. Import TensorFlow as TF, print TF, version and create a TF. Constant to confirm execution. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip, upgrade pip. Uninstall then reinstall. And on GPU systems, make sure drivers and CUDA/cuDNN match supported versions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.